Hello, good evening everyone, powerful Biafrans all over the world. Good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. Every freedom lover, every freedom fighter, a genuine freedom fighter, people that knows the values of life, people that know the value of life. I salute you all. The people that want the total freedom of Biafra, I salute you all. I want to talk about this, and I'm not going to be talking. I'm not going to be talking about this alone. I'm not going to be talking about it in English language alone. I'm going to speak my language too, so that my people can understand where I'm driving to and what I'm trying to say. You understand? So we are talking about election boycott. We are talking about election boycott. We are talking about election boycott. That is the only way we can be free as a people. That's the only way we can get our referendum. You understand? That's the only way. There's no other way. You understand? We are an international freedom fighting group. You understand? Indigenous people of Biafra. We are indigenous people. We are scattered all over the world. You understand? We want to come back home. Don't you understand? We want to come back home. You understand? We want to come back home so that we can enjoy the God-given resources that we are given to us as a people. That was given to us as a people. You understand? We need to come home. And how do we come home? We need to restore Biafra. Yes, because that is the only home that we have. That is the only way that we have. There have been lying so many lies against our people. They've been saying so many lies against our people. They've lied and lied against Ojukwu. They've said everything. They always want to make it our fault. But thank God that one of the January 15 boys came out, an 80-year-old man. Thank God that the video has gone viral. He came out and he said the truth of what caused the 1966 coup. Yes, he is the only surviving man. He's 80 years old. He came out and he said the truth. That truth that they've been hiding has now come to a limelight. Yes. Ihe niile ha na-ezo, asị niile ha na-atụgide ndị Biafra. Ihe niile ha na-ekwu gbasara Biafra, asị niile ha na-atụ. That old man abịago bịa gwa ha nke bụ eziokwu. Ya bụ eziokwu anyị ma mana abịa na-ezo ya. You understand? Ha na-ezo ya, mana this old man pụtara bịa gwa anyị the truth. Bịa kwuo ihe butere ha ji karịa that queue. That queue ha turnụrụ si na an Igbo queue. They turned it around and said it's an Igbo queue. When they saw what was happening in the damnable contraption called Nigeria, they saw how the killings were going on, they saw how the nepotism, the subjugation and the suffering we are going on in the country, and the masses we are suffering. The masses we are going through penury and pain. Everybody kept mute. So what did you expect those soldiers to do? They had to carry out a coup. They carried out a coup. You understand? Kaduna Nzogu, Ademoyega, that squad, the January 15 boys, they carry out that coup. And everything happened. The rest was history. But they turned around and twisted the story around and brought the war to the Biafrans from 1967 to 1970 and killed more than 5.2 million people. 3 million predominantly children. They were starved to death. Kwashoko, agụrụ guburu ha, agụrụ uye guburu ha, agụrụ. Ịma ebe na ị nọ taa agụrụ na-agụ gị, ịfụ na ị na-anwụ agụrụ na-agụ gị. agụra na-agụ gị pasa agụra na-agụ gị ụmụazị mpempe ụmụazị jekilie the video mpempe ụmụazị. Think you that is a human being, you know the thing, you know the reason. These children, they were starved to death, mothers were killed, bombardment everywhere, air blockade, land blockade, but our fathers stood their grounds and fought. But those people, they decided to put a blockade and block us from the outside world. But we knew what was happening. And our ancestors fought that war. Our heroes and heroines fought that war. And here we are today. We are still existing, Biafrans. We are still existing. We are still existing as Biafrans. The death of those 5.2 million Biafrans that was killed from 1967 to 1970. I'm not even talking about the killings of Biafrans we started in 1945. Yes, the killings of Biafrans in that devilish contraption called Nigeria started in the year 1945. They have been killing Biafrans since 1945 till date, non-stop, consistently. Yes, they have. Yes, they have treated us like cowards in our land. But we know who we are. I go, if you look at me, you see a lion. I'm a lion. I'm a son of a Afambo Odom. Odom Neriago. See, I'm a lion. I don't know Madegu. In our tab Mwibo. Strong one. You hear? I don't go stand and watch the evil way they happen for my land. You expect me to keep quiet. If I can see this boy in Nekoku Biafra too much, this boy in Neburoku Biafra, it is better to die for something than to live for nothing. You idiots that don't understand the meaning of freedom. We have to restore our nation Biafra so that we can live like sane human beings. Just ordinary Ghana here. You cannot use a Nigerian passport to pick money from the bank. They molest our people all over the... Oh my God. They molest our people all over the place. Not only in Ghana, all over the world. The targets are Biafrans. The targets for extinction. The targets for maim and mayhem. Heinous crimes against Biafrans. So many have been committed against Biafrans. Biafrans have been suffering all over the world. Biafrans have been going through all sort of suffering in that contraption called Nigeria. And you say you are a youth, you don't want to stand up and boycott this election. You are talking about voting again. God will punish you. You want to vote, God will punish you. People are suffering and you want to vote. They give you 1,000, you vote. Oh Jesus. Can different model beacon major in the buy and a boycott election? Some people are not vote. Hi. But I have one message for you people. Whether we not to vote or we not to vote, Biafra must be restored. No man can stop the restoration of Biafra. Biafra is a spirit, and the spirit has possessed me. If you look into my eyes, you see fire. You understand? We must boycott the election. Biafra must be restored either by peace or by war. We must restore Biafra. And these celebrities, if for all these Biafra celebrities, shame on you. Fino, Don Jazzy, P Square, Chidimma, what are their names? Timaya, Runtown. All those Biafran entertainers, even the comedians, even their actors, shame on them. The only movie I've watched and I saw an actor support Biafra is in a movie that was directed and acted by Zubi Michael. Zubi Michael is the only person that has talked about Biafra in one of the roles that we are playing in that was played in that movie. Sorry. Only Zubi Michael in one of his movies. That's Zubi Michael's friend, that fair guy. If he wants to make a prank, he will say, let's say, a man go here. I'll be near go. A man no Biafran pass. I go near me. Can't kill you. Go here. Only that thing that boy said in that movie, that actor, only that thing he said in that movie generated a whole lot of attention. They said, yes, this is the only person that has spoken about openly about Biafra even in a movie. So, you say you are a celebrity, you are keeping quiet because you live in Lagos, because you live in Abuja. People are dying. You know, if you use your celebrity, your exposure, they say, do you know the meaning of exposure? When I be local people, all these people will say they be celebrity, they be local people, they be mumu people. Their money where they get, their money na nonsense. Their money no get meaning. If you talk finish, they go say, because you no get money. Oh, Bobby, the way I'm comfortable, I'm living a fast life. I'm living a fast life on a very low key. They hear me? So, all those celebrities, when no one talk about Biafra, shame on you. Especially those Igbo, those Biafran celebrities. All of them, shame on them. They are very, very stupid people. Look at Pep Guardiola, the coach of Manchester City. He is from Catalonia. Catalonia wants to break away from Spain. Look at what Pep Guardiola does. Everywhere he goes, he wears the band of Catalonia to show solidarity as a citizen of that country. Go and check Pep Guardiola. The FA of England has done everything to stop him from wearing that Catalonia wristband. He refused. He supports Catalonia. With his, do you think you have exposure? How many of you celebrities have money, have wealth like Pep Guardiola, the coach of Manchester City? How many of you people have money like him? He's a billionaire in euros, in pounds, in dollars. But he's speaking for his country. He's speaking for Catalonia. Everywhere he goes, he wears the Catalonia band to show that he's a Catalonian. He speaks for his people. These people are proud of him. But the kind of celebrities we have in Biafra land, because they want to be going to show at Lagos and at Abuja. They want AY to be calling them for show. They will keep quiet. And they will sing the bunu. Na go nonsense. Na go nonsense. Money, woman, money, woman, money, woman. You can never talk of what is happening in the country. But I'm proud of Falz. Falz, the bad guy. I'm proud of him. He speaks a Yoruba guy. He's speaking the mind of so many people. Falz, go and listen to Falz, his new album. He's speaking sense. He's the only musician that is raising alarm. All the Whiskey, David, all those people, they be mumu. People, they suffer. They don't feel they talk. Their own to they support politicians to jump around. People, they suffer. Fela don't sing, talk. They kill Fela away. Everybody do PR like say nothing they happen. We must restore Biafra. Biafra must be restored. This generation of Biafrans must restore Biafra. All those children we will not starve to death. Nigeria government, all those children we will not starve to death. All those children we will not starve to death during the war. All those children we will not starve to death. They don't reincarnate. I be one of them. I be one of them. I be one of those children who died 1966 from 1966 to 1970 during the genocidal war that was orchestrated against Biafrans. See, I was one of those children that were starved to death. I've reincarnated and I'm more deadlier now. And there are millions and millions of people like me who are more deadlier than me, who are behind me, who are crazy and fanatical about Biafra. I want to tell them, it's a challenge. Can you die for Nigeria? Can you die for Nigeria? You cannot die for Nigeria. None of you can die for Nigeria. You can pretend as you like. None of you love them. So you cannot die for Nigeria, but I can die for Biafra. I can give my life for Biafra. So many people have given their lives for Biafra. They have paid the ultimate price. See, I can give my life for I'm a lion. You know? Biafra must be there. All these celebrities, shame on you. You are singing music in front of Evo. Amaka disappoints me. Money this. If it is not money, woman. There's nothing they sing about again. And their people are dying. Go coming to their show. Agacha show but they kill them. Atonha bomb. Fulani herdsmen neme obodo. ha bata n'ọfịa ebe akụlụ ife ha bata n'ọfịa ebe akụlụ ife fe mebisicha were efi Hausa mebisichara ndị mmadụ afịa mebisichara ndị mmakụtia ife ịma afụfụ ndị mmadụ na-ata ịkụ ndị mmadụ na village ịma afụfụ fa na-ata ịkụ ihe na ka etonite fa wee gaa ghọrọ ya bifo rie ya ọ ree ya n'ahịa ịma afụfụ na-ata ịma afụfụ ndị mma na-ata ndị mma kụsịa ife efi Hausa abịa mebisie ya isi na ebu celebrity dị ekwu okwu celebrity gbuo gị dị a tonda. See, Biafra must be restored. That's the final thing I want to tell you people. Guy, whether you be celebrity or you no be celebrity or you be this, you be that, fuck you. If you're not speaking for the freedom of your people, fuck you. That is why I respect that guy that went for that abolition of the Osu caste system. That what is it? Something Okechukwu. That black Nollywood actor. That Igbo Biafran guy. Yes, I know you people know. You know who I'm talking about now. That went for the abolishment of the Osu caste in Aguleri. That tall guy. I'm very proud of that guy. That guy he's giving his everything to the struggle. He's saying everything. He's not scared of anybody. I'm like him. I'm even more deadlier than him. And there are so many people. See, the spirit of Biafra has possessed us. We are carrying the spirit of Biafra. Ka obido taa ka obido echi ka onye ọbụla nwụcha ka mara na ya adịzi ndụ. Ọ ka mma anyị nwụrụ na onwe ha dị ndụ eme iji si ya university ma nweta ọrụ. N'enu ka abadị mfụ aba na Facebook na-ebesa akwa. N'enu ka abadị ka ebe ndị Alabi. Abadi ka ebe ndị Alabi ka ebe mad people be. Come on Ghana. See, upon say may forget everything. Nigeria is a zoo. Guy, come on Ghana, everywhere neat. Now me just decide today here do this video. If I come out now, electricity everywhere. Road they tart. You dey here? They get electricity, they get everything they get. Educational system. Una no dey ask una self why una people dey run dey come Ghana come dey go school. Una no dey ask una self that question. Una no dey ask una self. Their government don redefine everything. They do everything well. You dey hear? They no dey find immigrants. So see the one wey they get self, e never even dey okay for them. You dey understand? Come on Ghana, everything they have good roads. No be bobo juice. If you dey Ghana, you know wetin I dey tell you na true. No be bobo. Electricity 24/7. I no walk away. In your villages, unu niile na-eme celebrity. In your village, can you boast of 1 hour electricity? You never. God for where in Biafra land will you boast of straight 5 hours electricity? Off NEPA. Thunder agbawakwụ n'anya. Cows, idiots. See, we must restore Biafra. So that we can build our country to be as a country should be. Abịa na-ata afụ. Nọrọ n'elu crude oil na-ata afụ. Na-asa na anyị were ọya. Nọrọ n'elu crude oil na-ata afụ. Asị na ahụ nwere ndị a na-akpọ Fulani. Na onye ndị a na-akpọ Fulani that they are the slave master. Guy anyị na-afa ga-anwụ. Adị m akọta ịtọtị o, mụ ada akọta ịtọtị. M na-agwa gị ere mata. This generation, we are fanatical about Biafra. I bụ ọdụm. We can die for Biafra. Nnamdi Kanu has possessed us. See, I'm possessed by the spirit of Biafra. I'm possessed. If you stand on my way, I'll crush you down. You understand? I don't take. We must boycott the election. Hassan Ahage referendum. We are doing it in a diplomatic way. The way it should be done, in a civilized manner, so that the world will not say that we are terrorists, so that the world will not say that we are uncivilized. That's why we are taking the diplomatic way. But if they don't want it like that, if they drag us into war, we are going to fight an attacking war. We can never fight a defensive war, God forbid. God forbid a defensive war. Yeah, about how attacking war. Now what for you? Eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. Look at Israel. Do you know the reason why Israel is surviving today as a nation? Israel is surviving because everybody carries a gun. Go and check it. They are living in the center of their enemies. Their enemies surrounds them. Israel, the state of Israel. They have the best military. They have the best military in the world. The best military, IDF. Google it. IDF. They have the best air force in the world. Their foot soldiers are a force to reckon with. The state of Israel, a very small state. A very small state. See, anything Israel says, America will say yes. Yes, sir, we have heard you. Anything Benjamin Netanyahu says, Donald Trump will agree. Whether it's good or bad, Donald Trump will say yes. Why did United States move their embassy to Jerusalem? Why? Because they respect Israel. Why is it so? Israel, they protect their land. They carry gun. If you feel say you be Palestinian man, you want to shoot them, they go first shoot you, you go die. Now them be Jesus Christ, brother. Jesus Christ. It's from Israel. Now their brothers and sisters, so people will relate to it. In brothers, they carry gun. Jesus brothers, they carry gun. They protect their land. But come down to Africa. If you talk about arming yourself, I say no. The Lord will fight for us. The Lord will Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire will fight for us. The Holy Ghost will fight for us. Jesus Christ will fight. No, don't attack them. Oh, no, don't carry arms. No. Just stand there and watch them come and kill you. I saw a Mumu video. Boko Haram bombed the church in Borno. Instead of the man to be talking of how to retaliate, mental slavery. Our people have been subjugated to all sorts of slavery. Economical establishment, we have been destabilized totally. There is no company in our land. Every company about also. There is no good road. Ọkọ mmiri ade. Onwe dị n'obodo. Una na-ata ahụhụ na-achị ọchị. Ndị mmadụ si na-achọrọ ịtụ vote. Ịtụ vote tọnda agbagbo gị. Oh God, if you vote you will die. If you vote you will die. No be play. If you vote you go die. See, if you vote you will die. See, Amadu Hagakubugi. The blood of everybody that have been killed in Biafra land will fight again. If you vote, you will die. Jesus, if you vote, you will die. Why will you vote? Who are you voting for? Thunder fire all of you that want to vote. Thunder fire you. Since you have been voting, what have you achieved? Nothing. You still want to vote. God punish your vote. And ekun akpa rice. I be ekun akpa rice. Akpa beans. Clothes. 1,000, 5,000. 500, 1,500. You go and vote. Oh God, and you'll be enslaved for another 4 years again. Later you blame the government. Government is not good though. But they gave you money and you sold your useless PVC that can never save you. It's only Biafra that will save you. We must boycott the election. No governorship election, no presidential election, no councillor election, no election. We don't want election. All hail Biafra. We want Biafra. We don't want anything. We want Biafra. We don't want election. We don't want election. We want referendum. Give us our referendum. A call for a referendum is not a call for war. Give us referendum. If you don't give us referendum, if you drag us into armed struggle, that will be the final, because Somalia will be a child's play on what will befall the zoological republic called Nigeria or Niger area, anywhere you can call it. A devilish fake entity concocted by a devilish British man, a British mercenary soldier brought from India to subjugate my people to eternal slavery. The treaty that he signed has expired 100 years, 1914 to 2014. Everything expired. Still, we are in this concussion called Nigeria. God will punish you people. We must break that country. It must break. Whether Yoruba media likes it or not, Nigeria must break. The spirits have spoken. This is more spiritual. It's not physical as you are seeing. It is spiritual. It's more spiritual. Biafra is a spirit. If you don't know, Biafra Yakubogi. Oh, Biafra. We want Biafra. We don't want anything. Only Biafra. Biafra or Biafra. We don't want governorship. We don't want vice president. We don't want president. I don't want Atiku. I don't want Obi. I don't want Jobri. I don't want Osibanjo. I don't want anybody. We want to be free, totally free. We are natural Republicans. We are natural Republicans. We shall make our country to be one of the best countries in the world. Biafra must be made to be like we see. We are going to all those London. They'll be like child's play when Biafra will come. All of them will look for visa because we are going to pimp our nation. It's not about oil and gas. We have the brain, we have the acumen, we have the intelligentsias that can do great things. Imagine from 1967 to 1970, all the arms and armaments that we used, that our fathers used in fighting that genocidal war, were locally produced by our fathers. All the armored, if you go to Ojukwu bunker, all those things you are seeing there, ndị Igbo, Biafrans, ndị Anang, ndị Isoko, ndị Urobo, ndị Ishekiri, ndị Igede, Umu Urobo, strong men, na then walk all those things where you see, all those arms, all those guns, Oka melt, now then walk all the gun, all the bomber, all their jets, now then everything where they use fight that war, no one where they buy, now walk they walk on. Biafrans, we are highly blessed. We are highly blessed. So we have to be in our own country so that we can enjoy our country now. It's not a big deal again. Somebody don't want to be in a marriage again. I want to leave this marriage and you are dragging me. It's not as if you like me. You are still dragging me because of oil and gas. God will punish you. One Nigeria, go to hell and die and come on, go and die. Biafra for life. Biafra, 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 nothing again. Referendum or no referendum, Biafra must come. The spirit has possessed me. I'm a powerful Biafran. I get mad sometimes when I think of what the evil people are doing to our community. The Mako Chai, if you say maybe Chai. Thunder, the Fulani, they are going to die. You see, the Fulanis, they must die. I thank God for BSMS. See, they must die. Operation Python dance nabai. Fire for Operation Mordecai. They are doing Operation Python dance. They will see Operation Mordecai. I got Amazi Eke Nodum. Nkeneribe. I got Amazi Mekoneri Odum. Yeah, I boom Odum. Look at my chest. Lions. We are lions. I boom Odum. They are Python dance. I get Loya. I can want to about follow ya. Time will tell. Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. We don't want any other thing again. Only Biafra. Only Biafra. We want only Biafra. Just give us Biafra and go. Leave us alone. We want to be free. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu say, we just want to be free. We just leave us alone. Let's be free. We are free people. We are Republicans, natural Republicans. Allow us to be free. We can be good neighbors, but if they drag us into war, Sheori Master. Oh, hey Biafra, oh, hey Biafra, oh, hey Biafra, oh, hey Biafra. I'm not scared of anybody. The blood that is running in my vein is the blood that is running in your vein. Come on. Oh, hey Biafra. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. May Chukwu Okike bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, you shall live long. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, you shall live long to enjoy the dividends of your hard labor. It's not easy. Upon all the billions they gave to that man, all the oil well, all the everything, Nnamdi Kanu rejected everything and said, give me Biafra, or you lower me on the grave. And you want me to back off. A man that rejected billions in the jail. If a man that rejected billions and billions of hard currencies and houses abroad, oil wells, he rejected everything and stood firm. Now you want me to fall on the way. Nonsense. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, you will live long. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, you will live long. Mazi Uchemefor, you will live long. Mazi George Onibe, you will live long. Mazi George Onibe. Mazi George Onibe, you are a great man, you will live long. All the clans in Biafra land. Whether you are from Igbo, Isoko, Idomao, Urobo, Ishekiri, Anang, Efik, Igede, Ibanke, Igbakere, the whole of Biafra land. The whole of Biafra land. We must restore Biafra. We must restore Biafra. Nigeria is a zoo and the zoo must fall. Nigeria is a zoo and the zoo must fall. Don't be afraid of anybody. But some ridiculous numbers. We are lions. Come on. Nigeria government are busy. How fools. Oh, Biafra. Biafra will help you.